Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about the pointers and arrays. Okay, so how we are going to point the array here. So normally in the previous videos we have seen how a pointer is pointing to a particular address location, but here we will see how the pointer is pointing to the array. So here I am taking an array. Okay, so an array of length 5. Okay, this is the array of length 5, and we are having the values inserted here with the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and this is the pointer p, which is pointing to the base address of the array. Okay, so here the pointers and arrays, it is going to point to the base address of the array, which is 1000, will be stored in the pointer p, and it will point to the base address of the array. Okay, so now we will see the concept, how it will work. So here p equals to address of x of 0 equals to 1000. Okay, so here p equals to the pointer equals to address of x of 0, that is 1000. So here the pointer p is pointing to the address of the base location. Okay, suppose if you want to find the value in the particular address location, that is 1004, then how we are going to move this pointer to the particular location and how we are going to obtain the value inside the address. So that one thing we are going to know in this video. Okay, so for that we are having a formula here. Address of x of I equals to base address plus I into scale factor of data type. Okay, so address of x of I, so here I denotes the index value, and base address plus I is the index value into scale. Now the scale machine, right? If you are using a 16-bit machine, it will be different, or 32-bit machine, it will be different. Okay, so we have to take the scale factor of the particular data type, which is, it may be integer or float. Okay, so we have to consider that one, and then we have to perform the multiplication operation on with the index and the data type. Okay, and then we can point to the particular location. Suppose here I want to move to the first location. Okay, I want to point to the index 1, x of 1, then how it will perform. So here, so p plus 1, so here the pointer is pointing to the index value 0, and if I want to point to the location 1, then how we can point. So that is p plus 1, so we have to increment the value to the 1. So how we can move to the next location and how we can obtain the value, that we will see here by using this formula. So p plus 1 equals to address of x of 1, so we have to find the value in the x of 1 address, right, equals to, so the base address, what is the base address here? 1000, right, for this given array. So 1000 plus 1 into 2, so 1 is the index value, so we need to find the value in the index 1, x of 1, so 1 into 2, so scale factor of the data type is 2. So here I am using the integer type. So integer type occupies 2 bytes of memory in the 16-bit location, 16-bit machine here. So I am using a 16-bit machine, so I am taking the 1 into 2. Integer is the 2 bytes. So that is the 1002 will be the answer. So that means it will return the 1002 address. So the value inside the 1002 is 4, right? So next, similarly, I want to point to the address 4. Okay, address 4 I want to point. So then also similarly we can consider here. So p of 4, that means p plus 4. Okay, so p plus 4, so 0 plus 4 is 4 only, right? So base address, that is 0 plus 4 is 4. Okay, so next we have to consider the base address plus I into scale factor of the type. So what is the base address for this given array? 1000 plus index value that we want to point is 4 into data type, that is a 2 bytes of data type. So 4 into 2 is 8, so 1008 is the particular location. So like this we can point to the any of the index in the array. Okay, so this is the benefit of combining the pointers and arrays. Okay, so normally you can use the arrays to store the data, and we can retrieve the data here using the for loops. But here, using the pointers also, we can access the arrays and we can retrieve the data here. Okay, so this is about the uh, pointers and arrays concept in the C language. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.